In this video, I'm going to show you how to make $100,000 in monthly revenue with your Shopify store. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, I'm living proof. And I'm here today to show you step by step on how to make that dream into a reality. Whether you're just starting out or you're already making sales, this guide will give you the blueprint to scale your e-commerce business to 6 figures a month. Stick around because at the end of this video, I'm going to share a bonus tip you don't want to miss out on, and that most people completely overlook. Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm Sylus, and on this channel, I help entrepreneurs like you grow and scale profitable e-commerce businesses. Now, if that sounds like something that you're into, then you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you never miss out on game-changing strategies like the one I'm about to share with y'all today. So, how do you scale your Shopify store to $100,000 a month? It might sound intimidating, but I'm going to break it down to you in 5 actionable steps that you can start taking today. Step 1, build a high converting store. Now let me ask y'all something. What's the first thing that people notice about your store? If it's not compelling, then they'll click away faster than you can say sell. Your store is the foundation of your success, and it starts with choosing the right thing. Now, if you hurting on cash, there's a free thing called Dawn, which is Shopify's flagship thing. Now, if you're looking for a more sleek, modern look with advanced tools, I recommend Impost is your best bet, but Impost, it is a paid thing. Lastly, if you prefer simplicity, try Minimal. It's distraction free and customer focused. Once you set up your thing, use high quality images and detailed descriptions to showcase your products. Build trust with customer reviews and a clear return policy. Add urgency with limited time offers or countdown timers. Keep it simple and intuitive. If your store confuses customers, they won't stick around to buy. Step 2, the wrong product can break your business. So how do you find one that'll make $100K a month? Well, let's dive into it. Here's how to find winning products. Use tools like Product Research Tool or check trending hashtags on TikTok. Look for products with high demand and low competition. Focus on solving a problem or sparking an emotional desire. Test, test, test. Don't rely on assumptions. Experiment with different niches to find what resonates with your audience most. Now, I know you might say, Sylus, I already have a store or I'm already selling products. I recommend going to your analytics on your Shopify page and see your top selling products and focus on the top 3. Master paid advertising. One consistent sales rolling in 24/7. Paid ads are your golden ticket, but only if you do them right. Here's how to launch and scale ads. Start with Facebook or TikTok ads. Create engaging videos that shows your product in action. During the test phase, spend anywhere from $20 to $50 daily to identify the best performing creatives and audiences. Once you found a winner, scale by increasing your budget gradually. You want to do that to 20 to 30% every few days. Don't forget to leverage on Google Ads as well as email marketing. Create a well-rounded traffic strategy. Step 4, build systems and automations. Scaling to $100,000 a month isn't just about making more sales. It's about making your business run like a machine. As your store grows, here's how to stay efficient. Automate fulfillment with apps like AutoDS or Oberlo. Outsource customer service to virtual assistants so that you can focus more your time and energy on scaling the business. Set up email flows with apps like Klaviyo to recover abandoned carts and upsell to customers. The less time you spend micromanaging, the more time you'll have to grow your business. Simple as that. Step 5, optimize and scale profitably. Now, what's the point of $100,000 revenue if your profits are thin? Let's talk about maximizing every dollar that you make. Here's how to optimize your store. Review your data weekly. Look at metrics like the ROAS or return on ad spend, conversion rates, and AOV or average order value. Boost the AOV with upsells, bundles, or free shipping thresholds. Expand your markets internationally by targeting new audiences or offering translations. Now, I know in the beginning that might seem like a lot of work, but trust me, you put in that time and effort now, it's going to benefit you in the long run. Reinvest your profits into better ads, product development, or hiring. Constant improvement is the key to scaling sustainably. Bonus tip. As promised, here's your bonus tip. Focus on lifetime customer value. Repeat customers are cheaper to market to and spend more over time. Use loyalty programs to reward purchases. Send personalized offers to bring customers back. Offer subscription services for products that they'll need regularly. Now, when you maximize lifetime customer value, you can outspend competitors and grow your business faster. Plot twist. One thing people don't talk about when scaling: taxes. Hitting $100,000 in monthly revenue will boost you into a higher tax bracket. One way to save is convert your LLC into an S Corp, allowing you to save on self-employment taxes. Also, reinvest profits into equipment or staff or better marketing. Reduces your taxable income. Now, don't forget to consult with a tax pro to ensure that you're taking full advantage of deductions, because your boy, I ain't a tax advisor. Now, let me hear from y'all. What's your revenue goals in the comment section down below? I'd love to hear from y'all and help you get there. If you're enjoying this video, please hit that like button and that subscribe button for more content like this. Let's keep growing together. Now, real quick, let's do a quick recap before you get up out of here. Number 1, build a high converting store. 2, find scalable product. 4, look at your analytics and focus on your top 3 selling products. Number 3, master paid advertising. Number 4, build systems and automate. And number 5, optimize for more profitability. Stick to these steps and you'll hit 100K a month in no time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Remember, stay consistent, stay focused, and keep scaling. Peace.